Morning.
I am Raja Putri Amali from Sinde Budi Sentosa. I'm as Executive Manager Brand Office in Pangkalan Bun. Today I will explain about of Sinde Budi Sentosa. Front is 1978. PT Sinde Budi Sentosa has grown from a humble professional company with a small factory in Bekasi in West Java into a responsible global presence with established operation and established network in home, country Indonesia, Belgium, Brunei, Lebanon, China, Hong Kong, Malaysia, and the Middle East. Next, I will explain about our structure organization of Sinde Budi Sentosa. First you will see one. President Director. One of the main director duties is to complete competitive. One of the main director duties is to complete and implement the vision, mission, and can determine which direction the company will take. In addition, a director must also be able to assure that his application understands the vision, mission, and goal of the company. 2. Board of Commissioner. The Board of Commissioner has the following duties. Supervise the Board of Directors is carrying out company activities and provide advice to the Board of Directors. Supervise the implementation of the company's long-term plans REPP and the company work plan and budget RKAP. 3. Company Secretary. Presenter Butter that Arapali Canal. Organize and record meeting result. The administrative record communication to various parties. Ensure legal requirements. Ensure supplies of first supplies. 4. Staff accounting. Responsible of accounting staff. Performing the company financial administration organization. Comes and creates compare financial report and company tax report. Prepare company break plan. Prepare and make periodic budgets and forests. Explain money in annual. 5. Director of Operation. As the main director duties, responsible for all operations process. Production progress to the quality of production ratio. Responsible for the development of products, quality and operations involved. 6. Director of Finance. The sole class Finance director is the trader who carries on the process of monitor and making decisions on matters relating to finance in the company. 7. Staff quality control. The text of quality control or QC staff is to the process board in terms of quality and quality during the producing process, starting for the selection of raw process raw material into semi-finishing goods to the final liquid of production to above the required quality standards. That's all company structure That's all company structure organization. Thank you for your attention.